In this video, I will show you exactly how to master the Sekai app to turn your creative ideas into stunning cinematic videos. Sekai is an incredible tool that uses artificial intelligence to breathe life into static concepts. To get started, you first need to download the app and create an account using your email or social media login. Once you are on the main dashboard, you will notice a clean interface designed for creators. The most important step is choosing your input method. You can start with a simple text prompt where you describe the scene you want to see. When writing your prompt, try to be as descriptive as possible by mentioning lighting, camera angles, and specific movements. After you enter your text, you can select a visual style that matches your vision, such as realistic or anime. If you want even more control, you can upload an image from your gallery to use as a reference. This helps the AI understand the composition and colors you prefer. Once you are satisfied with your settings, tap the Generate button and wait a few moments for the magic to happen. You can then review your video and use the editing tools to refine the final look. If it is not perfect yet, do not worry, because you can always tweak your prompt and try again. Finally, when your masterpiece is ready, just hit the Save button to export it to your phone. Now you are ready to share your unique animations with the world.